Intersectionality is understanding ukuthi oppression and discrimination do not operate in a vacuum. You understand? Like multiple forces can work together to oppress a group or an individual. You understand? So, in 1989, Kimberly Crenshaw calls the term intersectionality after multiple black women have failed cases claiming of discrimination. Yabo? So, these ladies have been going to court claiming that companies they work for are discriminating against them. Yabo? So back then, the term intersectionality, so people could not understand intersectionality. So judges, when this black woman, these people are oppressing against me, bayahamba to the company and they investigate how are black men treated. Yabo? Maybe they say, no man, black men are treated well in these companies. So this discrimination is not based on race. Yabo? Then they continue the same experiment and they check how are white women treated. And then they see no man, white women are treated good in this company. So therefore, this is not based on gender. You understand? So these ladies they claim they're being discriminated against is actually false. Yabo? Then after then Kimberly Corns intersectionality ukuthi no man, like the oppression of being woman and the oppression of being black ziyasebenzisana, they intersect, hence intersectionality. You understand? Umuntu is not oppressed by only into one, but they are oppressed by multiple factors asebenzisana wonke. You understand? For example, as a black man, I might be oppressed. I'm oppressed because I'm black. Yabo? Same thing with a black woman. Now I'm oppressed because she's black. Yabo? But I'm a man ekugcineni, yabo, so I'm not oppressed by a patriarchy because I'm a man. But a lady can be oppressed for being black and by a patriarchy. Yabo? Intersectionality. Yabo? So intersectionality is understanding ukuthi multiple factors ziyakwazi ukusebenzisana such as gender, race, class, and multiple other factors can work together to oppress an individual. You understand? Like maybe a black lady and a white lady, they may both be oppressed because like they are women. You understand? But law, because she's white, akayazi racism, akayazi colonization, akayazi slavery. So oppression yakhe, even though she's a woman, is not similar to oppression at the law, even though they are both women. Because law is oppressed not only for being a woman, but also for being black and maybe for it's being pushed to a lower class. Yabo? So even in my city, we are both black people. Yabo? But me as a black man, maybe a bar, I cannot have access to healthcare. So men classism is an issue. But and now you are also black, but because when you are from a higher class, so and you go maybe to a private hospital now access to everything. So even though we're both black and we're both oppressed because we are both black, but I'm also oppressed because of the class when you're not oppressed because of the class. You understand? Learning intersectionality is means in everything, yabo, from feminism, even now LGBTQ plus, yabo, like umuntu who's black and he's part of the LGBTQ plus community and who's also a poor class, makahlala maybe emalokishini or emakhaya, lo muntu loyo is most likely ukuthi angafacea physical violence compared to umuntu who's a member of the LGBTQ plus community mara ohlala in a higher class or who's of a different race. You understand? Intersectionality like isebenza in multiple ways. Isebenza in nature or like in nationality, yabo, ukuthi I'm a black man or a black woman, yabo, and I'm oppressed, and then maybe the muntu osezimbabwe is a black man and is a black woman and is oppressed. But mina, because I have a history of apartheid, they do not have a history of apartheid. So by default, our oppression is not the same. You understand? Like intersectionality bafithi in multiple ways, and it's important to understand intersectionality ukuthi if facing like an issue, you can always understand ukuthi there are multiple factors in which can cause the issue there. You understand? When pushing for social justice, it is important to understand ukuthi how all these factors are at play, how all wonke lama factors lanka play together are like are interchangeable, yabo, and they cannot be easily separated, yabo. Even like for example, going back to the black man, yabo, during apartheid, because maybe even though maybe I'm black and now you are black, we are both oppressed, yabo. I'm a man and now you're a man, like we're both oppressed, yabo. But when maybe because like you are a Christian and then mina ngumuntu ofaka ubuhlali namadlozi, so by default mina my religion, because of my religious belief or because of my spiritual beliefs, sengizoba more oppressed than you because mina as umuntu spiritual I'm not allowed ukuthi ngihambe nobuhlali estradeni because of your oppression created by this institution of racism ebizwa ngokuthi i-apartheid, colonization and slavery. You understand? So it's important to understand intersectionality, bafethu, when dealing nama issues or when about to deal nama issues of social justice. Ngoba ayikho issue is solely created by only that thing. You understand? Even racism has a relationship with class. Yabo? Like if masithi abantu who of labantu laba, they say I don't like you, like it doesn't matter if they don't like us, but if they have the power to oppress us, and the little power comes with what, with class. So if they have the power to oppress us, kana kuba inking, you understand, intersectionality.